Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay's Apparel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to cut and sew this simple wrap top. So you can style this top in different ways, just like you've seen me do. So let's get started. First, I folded my fabric into two, my bust measurement divided by 4. That is how I determined the slope. Then first I went in from my starting line. I gave it a shoulder, the shoulder measurement divided by 2, which is 8. Then I now took my shoulder to bust line. Then I went ahead to take from my shoulder line to my waistline. I was just drawing out the lines. Shoulder line to bust line, shoulder line to under bust line, shoulder line to my waistline. So there won't be need for that. So there won't be any dots here. So that's why I'm not drafting out the dots line and all. So I was just basically trying to draft out the lines. My chalk was not showing properly because of this kind of material, and the material was giving me a tough time. This is a vintage crepe material. It was giving me a tough time to draw my chalk because my chalk was actually not showing. It wasn't giving me the lines. So I took my round shoulder measurement divided by 2, and I went in by neck width of 3. I came down by 2 since this is my back piece. This is going to be the back piece for the wrap top. Then I came down by 1 for the shoulder slope. So I went ahead to cut out all the lines I have traced. Sorry, my scissors was actually giving me issues. I need to change my scissors. So I was looking for the one that is more sharper. So I went ahead I forgot to tell you, I came after taking my round shoulder measurement divided by 2, I came out by half from the midpoint. And I went ahead to cut out every other part. My scissors was actually delaying me. So when I was done cutting out the back piece, I folded my fabric again so I could get my front piece. Remember, it's a wrap top, so you need to place it on fold to get both sides of the front. So I was just trying to arrange. You need to take your time and arrange it properly. So when you're placing it on fold, make sure to keep the shoulder parts to this other end, well, the side you're going to be tracing out to the other side where you have allowance. So after I was done, I took my waist measurement divided by 4, and I had to trace it out from there, from the down part. And this wrap top, I didn't want it coming down too much. Like, I didn't want it to reveal my boobs. So I just had to come down by 6 inches alone. So you can decide to come down more than that, like when you're sewing yours. But me, I didn't want my own to come down. So I had to fold it the way you've seen me. And I traced it all the way down to my waist measurement divided by 4 that I gave there. So that's how I'll be tracing. So look at it very carefully. I just hope you understand what I'm doing. I just hope you understand. And please, if you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and comment. So I'll go ahead to cut it out for you to see. Remember, the fabric there is on fold. The two sides of the front, the two parts, everything is on fold. So I'll just go ahead and cut out from the line I traced. Don't forget to place it that way. So yeah, I was done cutting out, and I'll just show you. You've seen how it is already. So my own won't be revealing any part of my boobs, but if you want your own to go down, you can go down by 9 or by 8. So mine, I came down by just 6 inches because I just wanted to cover up my upper area. So after that, you just go ahead to place right side facing each other, and you take it down to your sewing machine. But before that, you have to bend all the areas, like the front part. You just have to bend it just like this. But yeah, you just bend it like that. Then let's go ahead to cut out our sleeve. So my sleeve will be pleated on the upper part. Then the down part of the sleeve, I'll use an elastic band. So that's why I'm going to cut it out bigger than the usual round sleeve or the armhole measurement. So I'll just be taking it as big as you've seen, because I'll be pleating in the sleeve from the upper part, and the down part will be an elastic band. So just go ahead and do what you've seen me do. And So when I was done cutting out, I went ahead to bend it like that, just like this, into two, and I'll sew it straight down. So yeah, I was done sewing it. I was done sewing the front part. I was done joining everything together with the back piece and the sleeve as well. I was done sewing straight down, leaving the hole for the elastic band. So the elastic band, I just round it round my ankle. You can see I need to make it free. I didn't want it too tight on my ankle. So I went ahead to cut it out and now insert it using my safety pin. So when I was done sewing it, this is how it looked. Yeah, this is how my sleeve looked. That is after inserting the elastic band. So let's go ahead and attach the sleeve to my fabric. So okay, I went ahead to cut out the rope I'll be using for my top. So this is the rope. I just went in by 3" for the rope. Now cut it all straight down, and I'll be cutting out like two of that piece for the two sides. So yeah, I was done attaching my sleeve to my dress. Just left for me to attach the band. Sorry, the rope. So that was all for this top. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe. See you in my next video.